If you want a crossover that offers more than you'd hope for, at a price you've only dreamt of, look no further than this 2009 Nissan Murano. With its powerful V6 engine and smooth ride, you'll think the roads were repaved just for you. It also features full power accessories, multiple airbags, and sleek aluminum interior trim. And with comfortable seating for 5, along with abundant storage options, you'd be hard-pressed to find a more capable crossover to suit you and your family's needs.
It's too hot. It's too cold. Not anymore with Dual Zone Climate Control. The 4-wheel anti-lock brakes give you even greater stopping power. With cruise control, you can maintain a consistent speed on those long road trips.
This Murano is sure to not only meet but exceed your needs. Hurry in today and take it for a test drive.
Bob Bell Nissan Kia, serving the greater Baltimore area for all your automotive needs. Discover our great selection of new Nissans today. Here's the one for you.